Hey, thanks for joining the channel today. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really easy Choropleth map in R. This is the map we're going to be building, and it's a map of tornado data with greater than magnitude 0. So the first thing I'm doing is taking my data set and I'm filtering for anything that's greater than magnitude 0. And then anytime you're building one of these Choropleth maps, you want to aggregate the data down. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm grouping by the state, and then I'm counting the number of tornadoes and arranging from highest to lowest. So that's what it looks like right here, state and the number of tornadoes. So to actually build a map, it's pretty easy to do. I'm calling my map Fig, and what I'm doing is I'm taking my state data set, I'm using the plot.geo function, setting location mode to the United States, I'm adding a trace, and I'm filling in some of these variables. Z I'm setting to N, which is number of tornadoes. Location is the state. I'm coloring it by the number of tornadoes. Text is my labeled text I made. I'm coloring it by the red layout. And then down here I'm creating a layout for the actual base map itself, calling it geo, making it a list, setting some of these variables. And then down here I'm just making a title of my plot, and I'm running this down here. So if I run that, it should come up in 1 second. And this is my Choropleth map. So I hope you enjoyed this really quick video on how to make a Choropleth map in R. Thank you.